Jono, it's time to go. Jono? Let's get going. Jono?
Jono? Jono, where are you? We have to get going. Oh. Seriously? Again?
We've got a funeral to get to. Why are you even worrying about those? You've got your own kids to worry about.
Dad?
Oh.
Dad? I want some apple juice.
Look, Jerome, it's gonna be alright. There's only one way to talk to John when it's like this.
You don't mean... What just happened?
Did I go emu again? Yeah, you did. Now, come on, let's get going.
Yeah.
Oh, come on! Jerome, you too?
This is the most attention I've gotten in years.
You're being an enabler. We are gathered here today to celebrate the life of someone very close to our hearts, and they will be missed. So, in the tradition of our family, we will send them off with our salute.